Everybody, and welcome to Electronic Rehab UK. My name is Trav, and I'm down in the basement, and this is my very first video. And what I've been doing for over the years, I've been repairing keys and doing some microsoldering on phones and stuff. I've been using a little bitty cheap thing you get from overseas. I live in the UK, and there's a lot of things you get from China and abroad, and I won't knock anything because things that work, they work. And eventually, I will be getting bigger equipment and better equipment, but for now, you have to do what you can do. As they say, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Got a little soldering machine, nothing special about it, but it works. Like I said, the microscope. What I do is I repair little bitty small electronics. I do logic boards, things of that nature like that. If you look on my screen now, you can see where this is showing on the computer monitor. You can see that. That's not too shabby, I tell you that. For it to be such a cheap thing. You can see all the boards and see the pads and stuff like that. And that's a little remote switch, micro switch that I need to change out on the remote. And so that's what I'll be doing. And what we're going to do here now is going to show everybody how to do this without having to use all the expensive equipment and everything like that. You can get by and do this. It's not about the equipment per se. It's about taking your time and learning how to do things. If you persist and just practice and practice, you'll get better at anything, Like I say, that we didn't... Well, I'm rambling on now as I do. I've contacted a few of these other microscope companies and people to see if they want me to try out their stuff, but nobody's interested in doing anything. But what we're going to do, we're going to go out and we're going to find something on the side of the road, something somebody's throwing out, radios, TVs, whatever, and I'm going to teach you how to do these things, the best of my knowledge, in layman's terms. I don't know any technical terms. I know this thing, that, this is connected to that, and things of that nature, but I will tell you the technical things. Thanks for popping in to Electronic Rehab UK, and I look forward to finding a TV or radio or something that we can repair together. Thank you very much.